Whenever you'll be given some figure to construct with the given measures, you have to follow these steps here. So for some reason you must follow them strictly. Here the first point is draw a dummy figure, dummy triangle or figure. So here it's a triangle, so dummy triangle here. Okay, so I've drawn it. How did I draw it? I just drew it a dummy triangle and then labeled it ABC, and then I also labeled the measures. You may label it like this also, A, B, C. Then you have to label the sides as per the question. So AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and angle C is 40 degree. Means dummy can be of any type. So simply just draw a triangle and then label it. Now let's come out to the third point. Okay, before we go to the third point, just want to tell you something. If instead of a triangle, you'll be given a quadrilateral to construct. Means if somebody asks you draw a quadrilateral ABCD. So while drawing a dummy, what you have to do? Suppose I have drawn a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a figure with 4 sides. Now I have to name it ABCD. The name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. So I can write point A anywhere. Suppose I'm writing it here. Okay, so afterwards B can be here or it can be here. Okay, so if B is here, then C is gonna be here and D is here, and if B is here, A, B, then C is gonna be here, D. So it must follow either a clockwise order or anti-clockwise order. Okay, A is here and B is here, it cannot be. If the figure is so, the name of the quadrilateral is not called ABCD. Conventionally it is called ACBD, okay, or ADBC. Okay, so this should not be done. It should be either in clockwise direction or should be in anti-clockwise. So this will be correct one, A, B, C, D. So then this would be correct. Now after drawing the dummy, our third point is decide the order of construction. See, here we have the dummy. Now we cannot just start drawing with any measure. For example, we cannot start drawing this triangle here with AB equals 6 centimeter. See what will happen if you'll draw AB equals 6 centimeter. So the moment you'll draw a 6 centimeter line, okay, so how many vertices are there on the sheet? The 2 vertices already had come on the sheet, and those 2 are A and B. And now what do you have to find out? You have to find out the third vertex, and which is C. Now how to reach C? Okay, from A and B, do we have any passage to reach at C? Yes, we have a passage which is BC equals to 5 centimeter. So we have a clue that C, where C is positioned, it is at a 5 centimeter distance from B. But how do we find out in which direction? Because there are many points. If you see, there will be many points which are 5 centimeter from B. It can be this, it can be this, it can be this. There are many points. So where to go? So we do not know which one is. So there are many points which are 5 centimeter at C, and which of them is gonna be, which should be taken as C, we do not have any clue, because we cannot randomly take any of them. Because if we take this, then your angle C might not come 40 degrees. Okay, so you have to plan it, what should be done, what should be the order of construction. Okay, so here the order of construction, see, if I cannot start with AB, but I can start with BC. How come? When the moment I'll draw BC, B and C will already come in the scene. Okay, now I have to reach point A. So we have 2 ways to reach at A. Okay, so we have, first thing, A is 6 centimeter from B. Moreover, we will be able to construct 40 degree also at point C. Okay, so the moment you'll draw this and then 40 degree, then we'll get to know we have to take 6 centimeters somewhere on CA. Okay, so once you'll do the corrections, you'll get to know all of this. Let me erase all of this. That's done. So let's write down the steps of construction. So first of all, what is our steps of construction? We'll start with BC. You're not supposed to write the long sentences. So BC equals to 5 centimeter, and the moment you'll draw BC equals to 5 centimeter, the two vertices will be there on the paper. So it's a good way of writing it, because it gives us insight in many constructions. So while doing quadrilaterals, you'll get to know this. So right now BC equals to 5 centimeter, and B and C has come to the scene. Okay, then once we have B and C, what can we do? We can draw angle C equals to 40 degree. Okay, so at angle C equals to 40 degree, so at least you'll get a direction in which point A lies. Okay, and in that direction, where is A? B will decide that. So third point is your angle C equals to 40 degree will not give you A, it will just give you a direction. Okay, and BA equals to 6 centimeter, this arc will select the point A on this arm. So both will collectively, so these two measures collectively will give you point A. So here we are through with this step also. We decided the order of construction, means we decided what should be done and what shouldn't be done. And here we have written the steps of constructions also. Now we are doing actual constructions. So as per the given steps, we have to draw BC equals 5 centimeter. Okay, so BC equals to 5 centimeter. Now I have to draw angle C equals to 40 degree. 40 degree cannot be constructed with compass, so I'm using protractor here. So this is, here we have 40 degree direction. So I have drawn angle C equals to 40 degree. Now we know this is BC and A is somewhere on this, no? Somewhere on this direction. So here somewhere. So how can we take that? So we know that A is at a distance of 6 centimeter from B. So basically we have to choose a distance 6 centimeter. Let's do this with the compass because it makes the work easy. Okay, so it's 0.6 centimeter. From B, there are many points which are 6 centimeter. This also, they all are 6 centimeter. Okay, they all are 6 centimeter. But in which are we interested? We are interested in the point which is on this arm. Okay, so this is gonna be our point A, because this keeps C equals to 40 degree and it also gives us BA equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, so now I suppose you would have realized why did I chose to construct BC first. If I would have chosen to construct AB first, I would have stuck. Okay, so this is very important step, deciding the order of construction. Okay, and then please learn to write the steps of construction. What did we constructed first and what all vertices came on the paper then, and then what all measure you constructed to find out the third vertex. Let's label it. So 5, 40, and here we have BA equals to 6 centimeter. So this is the actual figure for these measures. Okay, so I'll be giving you an assignment based on it. I'm repeating again. I want to see the dummy first. Just without thinking anything, just draw a dummy. Okay, then label it as per the measures. Okay, draw the dummy without thinking, label it as ABC. A can be here, A can be here, A can be here. But after that, the measures should be labeled accordingly. Okay, once that is done, decide the order of construction here. Take a pause, decide the order of construction. Do not rush to finish the work. The objective is not to learn the finish the work Objective is not the construction. Objective is to learn many more things that is based on construction. Okay, so decide the order of construction and then write the steps. Okay, I'm purposely writing these here. Okay, so the purpose is the moment we draw one measure, we get two vertices. Hamesha, whether we are drawing quadrilateral or triangle or anything. Okay, if we are drawing any line segment, we get two vertices. Okay, but after that, for every single vertex, we need two more vertices. मीन्स हमने BC 5 सेंटीमीटर ड्रॉ किया, B और C सीन में आ गए. ठीक है, दोनों एक ही मेजर से दोनों आ गए, बट फॉर द थर्ड वर्टेक्स वी नीड टू मोर मेजर्स. Okay, so this is all about construction. Please follow these steps properly. And now one more thing, please use sharp pencil. Your work should be neat. Okay, let me write it for you. Sharp pencil. Then the work should be neat. If you're drawing arcs should be very means they shouldn't be very dark. Okay, and your figure should be well labeled. Okay, and well labeled with what? With vertices and measures. That's all for this video.